Alright, YouTube, I'm going to show you doing an oil change today. Alright, first, you're going to need a jug of oil, a oil filter, and you can either have this oil filter socket that just goes on the bottom and then you put a ratchet through there, or you would use, let me show you. No, where the hell is it? Or you would use this to get the what's called an oil filter wrench, or you could use this, but I can't use this on my truck because there's not enough room where the oil filter is. And then also you're gonna need a ratchet and socket for the drain plug, and you're gonna need something to drain the oil in. All right, and I'm gonna be doing it on the K5 Blazer. All right, the first step is you gotta take this drain plug out, drain the oil out of the base pan. Just got the ratchet. Damn it. Alright, put the camera down. Do this. Oh, got it off. Alright. Now, basically, just what I like to do is just like to get it free and then take it off by hand. One thing, make sure you don't drop it in the pan. Which I just did. That's great. Okay, now you're gonna let it drain. I usually wait like 5 minutes. Let the whole thing drain. Alright, next thing we're going to do is take the filter off. I just got to put the camera down for a second, so I'll do it. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, now what I do is, I just loosen it enough, and then I let it just drain, and then I take it off. Just like that. Then I just give it a couple minutes for it to drain and then I take it off. And now I'm going to take the old filter out. I usually just set it in the oil for now, and I usually get it later. No big deal. Alright, now before you put the new filter on, what I do, I just dip my finger in the oil and I put it around the rubber seal, because it helps it seal better. As you can see. Alright. Put it up there. Screw it in. I'll make sure it's on there tight. There we go. Alright, and that's it for underneath the truck. Alright, now, last part is putting the oil in. Okay, now you can take the cap off, put a funnel in. Now, the thing is, when you put the oil in, you don't, hold on, when you pour it in, hold it off to the side. If you do it like this, air gets stuck in here, so it's gonna glug the oil out. If you put it on the side, it's not gonna happen. And that's it. Put the cap back on. And you're done.